everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I think of these scents. I'm going to smell them and tell you what I think of the scents of the new Zany Laney fragrance box for May. The theme for the month of May is called Assemble, and they're based on Avengers characters, okay? Which is why I wore my Avengers shirt today. It's got a Captain America and Spider-Man. The fragrance box is $20, and that's with free shipping and everything that you'll see in my little package here. And then the full-size wax one is $20 as well. And then the sampler wax one, if it comes with sample sizes of the wax, that one is $12. And then the postcard box is $15. And then it will have postcards with all the art for each of these. Laney's brother Marshall designs all the art for these, so when you see these, he has created these himself based on the inspirations from the theme. So that's really cool. So the postcard box will be all of the art for that. So the first thing that you get is this little letter, basically. It comes with a postcard, and you will get one of the 4 designs. So this is one of the designs from this month's theme. This is the card that tells you about the scents and about what it's based on and stuff like that. The card at the top says, this month we've assembled a team of scents designed to avenge your nose against the forces of evil. How fun is that? Okay. And then you also get in the little thing, you get what is now called a POP, a proof of purchase. Okay. And that has one of the arts on it. How cool is that? I love this. My son's going to love this because it's the Spider-Man themed one. It says that if you collect 10 pops, you get a $5 coupon code. So you can get anything, $5 off anything you want on the site. And then, or if you get 1 golden pop, you automatically get a $5 coupon code. So that's really cool. And then she said that since they're doing a transition into these pops instead of the little tokens, if you've seen my videos before this, you can do a combination of these to claim your thing. So it shows you how on here, how you claim that. Okay. So let's go ahead and check these out. I will show you guys the stuff that I ordered last. And then let's just go ahead and open one of these up. This is the art on this one. This one's awesome. I love the art on this one. This one's called Burdened with Glorious Purpose. He's a villain, a trickster, a traitor, a brother, a king. If you don't know who's hiding on the throne, you won't understand the blend of cinnamon, amber, and ice. This is based on Loki. I do know that. Obviously. If you know anything about this stuff, then you would already know that. This has, like I said, cinnamon, amber, and ice. That's a really interesting combination. I like it. I'm not sure what I'll use this for yet, but I always let my husband smell these, and then like certain ones he uses for certain stuff. Like last month, I'll show you his favorite one towards the end of the video. I'll show you his favorite one. It's my favorite one from last month too. It was amazing. I love it too. So yeah, this one smells really, really good. It's like it's just a really good blend. I don't know how to explain it. I'm not sure what we're going to use this one for yet. Next we have 7th Sense, which is the one that I got, my postcard was based off of. You get the full art on your postcard. This one says 7th Sense. Her movie may not be out yet, but we expect a certain Captain Danvers to show up for battle for the gauntlet. We combine her strength, feminine mystique in the sense of leather, roses, and wine. This one's not my favorite. I think it's the leather scent that I don't like because my husband's always trying to get me to get a leather couch. I'm like, no. I personally don't like that leathery scent. But I do like the roses that's in it. But yeah, it's an interesting scent. So if you like leather, roses, and wine, you'll really, really like this one. Okay. Then the next one is, no, that's the one. Let's see. The next one is called The Little Guy. And we know who this is based on. Like, just look at the art. It's amazing. Okay. So, The Little Guy. His spirit is one with our nation's foundations, and his strength is a result of ingenuity and mercy. He's far more humble than that sentence sounded. Steve is just as hometown as cherries, blueberries, and cheesecake. I personally don't like cherries, but my daughter does a lot. But we'll see how strong the cherry scent is in this one. Ooh. Okay, so I don't like cherries, but the cherries and the blueberry and the cheesecake all together it works. I will actually use this one. I'm surprised. I really wasn't sure if I would like this one because of the cherry, but yeah, this one's amazing. Ooh, it's gonna be hard to pick my favorite this month because I know this last one is amazing. I already sneaked and smelled this one because I knew I was going to love it. So this one is called Wannabe. It says, he may not be experienced, but the kid from Queens in the spider suit has it where it counts. We imagine he'd smell like grapes, vanilla cream, and soda for a sweet grape drink. I really, really love this one. But my husband thinks it kind of smells like that grape medicine, which doesn't bother me. I think it smells really good. So this one's awesome. I'm sure my son will be like, yes, I love this one. I'll probably spray it in his room, you know. So that's awesome. That's what I really like about this too, is that if I don't like a scent, someone in my family or one of my friends will like a scent, so they'll be able to use it too. So these are always a good gift idea too if you know someone that likes fragrance. Then the ones that I bought this month are Dingle Hopper, which next month or this month or the next time I order, I'm gonna order another one of these. I think I'm gonna order the big one of this one, and then the big one, because these are the smaller bottles. I'm gonna order the big bottle of this one, and I think I'm gonna order the big bottle of Snowman Sniffles. Or I'll have to see if the scent that my husband liked the scent that he liked last month, if that makes it to the shop, because if he does, then I will want to get that one in the big bottle. But this is called Dingle Hopper. This has suntan lotion, pineapple, and orange. And I think it's a really, really great summery scent. And it's got the right combination of all of those that makes it just smell. It's not a combination that I would ever think to put together, but it is amazing. And I absolutely love this one. And I absolutely recommend it if it's on the website. Definitely look on the sprays. I think they're an amazing price. I think they're an amazing value. I love them. So then the other one that I got is Ohana Sunrise. And these were for the Disney themed box. And this one right now in the bottle just smells very, more strongly of lime than anything else. But this one's supposed to smell like lime, sugar, cantaloupe, and watermelon. So I'm hoping when I spray this, it won't be as much lime and I'll be able to pick up on some of the other scents. Let me try again real quick. The lime is just the strongest scent that I can smell in there, but I can smell something else too. So I really like this one, so that's why I picked it up for sure. And next month, like I said, or next time I do a video, I will have to show you guys which ones I ordered. So that was the May assembled fragrance box. That was that one. And then I showed you the couple of things that I ordered. And then last month, the Chosen one was my favorite. And it was my husband's favorite. I don't know if you can see. It doesn't look like we've used a lot. But do you see how this one's like completely full? We use this a lot. So it's lasting us quite a while. We use this like, I would say every day lately. And every day for the last week and a half for sure. But this is raspberry, coconut cake, and caramel popcorn. This one is amazing. We spray this. I've worn this. I love it so much. This one's really great. So this month, my favorite I'm going to go with this one. The little guy is my favorite, and then this is my second favorite. And then the other two, this one I like. I just don't know where I'm going to use it at yet in my house. And then this one wasn't my favorite, but it was an interesting combination. I like the roses in it. But this one's my absolute favorite this month. So, very cool. So yeah, definitely give this video a thumbs up if you guys like me sharing the theme. Definitely give me a thumbs up if you guys like me sharing these videos with you every month. I'm going to do a giveaway very soon of some Zany Laney products, so stay tuned for that. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Comment down below. Let me know if you thought this theme was awesome. If you plan on picking anything up from the ZanyLaney.com, definitely let me know down below. Say, yeah, I'm going to pick up that fragrance box, or I picked up the sampler one, or which scent was your favorite, which one sounds awesome, you know, or just say hi. I love to hear from you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video.